Hi guys, it's Moz, and on the workbench today we will be building and unboxing and building this Jeep Quicksand Concept new tool from Airfix from their quick build range. Hi guys, so this is it. This is the quick build. It's a Jeep. It's been announced at the beginning of the year. It's finally come now. And if you don't know much about quick builds, they are like a really basic way of getting into scale modeling. It's like Lego, but you can't call it Lego. It's all done with brick and block. There's no glue needed. There's no painting, and you just build. It even says here, no glue, no paint, just build. You see exploded view there. It just looks great, doesn't it? I assume these stickers on the front or the flames are going to be stickers. It looks like you've got some gold, some rubber tires. Yeah, it's all pretty good. I've built these, on the channel, and I thought I'd build this one too. Top of the box, you've got a piece there which people can put on a rail in the shop. But you've got a picture of the build there. On the side, you've got box art and just some information there. On the bottom here, you've got your warnings in different lingos. You also have this, which is a QR code. And if you go to your mobile, select camera, and you've got QR code reader on them, you can select that. This one here, you can win a prize. Obviously, every time I've done these, all I've ever won is a wallpaper for my phone. Whoopee! And then if you click it and download it, it will take you to their merch store. So if you want to buy Jeep merch, there's a link for it. Airfix Club there are no flying hours on these kits anymore. They used to come with flying hours, but they don't no more. And the code for this kit is J6038. So that's J6038. There you go. There it is. Back of the box, it shows you the actual size of the model, and then there's like an exploded view of this. So, and it's designed and made in the UK. So these kits are actually made in the UK out of them all, just like the Spitfire is going to be, hopefully. So let's open this box up and have a little look inside. And you always get some instructions, which I'll have a look at, and you get stickers. You get stickers for this one. You don't get decals, you get stickers, so just peel them off and put them on the model when you finish building it. Bag here of bits and pieces. So as you can see, it is quite Lego-ish, if you know what I mean. These are the rubber tires. You just cut these off and just trim them. So you get a knife, just gently cut them off, and then just because the wheels do move on these kits, which is cool. There's one. Let's do the other one. Careful now. 2. You can put them off actually if you want to. 3. If you don't want to use a knife, you can just pull up, but do leave a little bit of a tag sometimes. You just got to trim that off as best you can. It's off. There you go. When you build these, just remember that you will, there's going to be a special way of doing the wheels, so just make sure the instructions tell you clearly which way to put them on. Yeah, they look all right. A bit interesting that you can see where there's a join there, like a bit of a blemish, but hopefully they'll all come together good. So a quick look at the instructions. Sorry, it's a bit glossy. As you can know, I'm building my workbench, so the light isn't quite as well positioned that I'd like it to be. So out here, you've got a call out here for where all the stickers go, and then you have to open up the instructions, and it's just like Lego, again, Lego-ish. So you just click the pieces together, and then that's what it is. The pieces, put them together, and it should look like that. Same here, it should look like that. Same here. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 steps. Easy peasy. So I think we better get on and have a go at building this kit. So here we go. Here's the time lapse. there you are. There's the build. It didn't take that long. It was actually very, very easy. Whether it's because I've been doing these kits for a while now, they seem to go together easier every time I build a different one. But yeah, this came together really well. There's some really interesting points, you know. There's definitely a methodology to how they do these kits. You know, they're just clever. They really are clever. On the doors, they say right and left, so you're able to pick them out quite easy. This was quite a nice touch on the rods there, on top of the engine, and then the way that hooks over the top of the shocks and the front of the, you know, it's just really nice. It's really simple to build. It's a good bit of fun. The only thing I don't like is the stickers. As you can see, they're already starting to peel up, and they don't really go down that well. But it is a kit that's, you know, it looks good. I'm very impressed. Wheels, these are smaller than these, so you'll notice that the bigger wheels are on the front, and the bigger hubs are on the front, and the smaller hubs are on the back. So don't miss out on that when you're doing the kit. But yeah, do it in each stage, as it says on the instructions. And you know, 49 pieces in this one, 49, so not too bad. But yeah, you do get a pretty good model out of it. That was nice because they actually, you can see that they actually just hook in as like keys, like a keyhole. You see that at the bottom? Really nice touch out. Just when it clicks, they're in. But yeah, I'm very impressed with this kit. It's brilliant. Why don't you go and buy it? I'll leave a link in the description below where you can buy this kit. And you know, I'm pretty sure there's somebody in your family that would love this kit. I give them away as presents. You know, I've given away to my friends even. You know, I've given away the sports cars in this range because they'll never own a Lamborghini or a Bugatti, but they can build one if they want to, or a McLaren F1. They, you know, or I know that F1 is a P1, isn't it? I think they do in the range. But yeah, you can build and give them away. They're really good fun to build. It's something to do over Christmas. It took me 20 minutes to build this. And if you want to go back through the time lapse, you can slow the video down using the settings, and you can just see me do it bit by bit if you need to. Anyways, that's it from me. If you like the video, click like. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, ring that bell, select all, and you'll be notified when I release a new video. If you want to become a channel member, please click join, and for £1.99 you'll become a supporter of this channel. There are other tiers as well, but also you do get to see videos before anyone else does. And also I'm really, I put community posts up, and I do talk to you folks, definitely. Any questions, any comments, put them in the box below because I do reply. And if you want to see other quick builds, there's a playlist here. And if you want to see my latest video, click here.